Hai semuanya, welcome back di YouTube channel saya Behind the Chef. Hari ini saya ada hari khusus. Saya berada di Istanbul dengan Chef Sezai. Jadi sebetulnya saya sedikit beruntung ya, karena pas datang ke sini Chef Sezai juga lagi di sini ya.
Betul sekali, kayak janji, tapi nggak janji.
Jadi chef yang hari ini akan ngajak kita keliling-keliling Istanbul. Nah, untuk kalian yang ingin tahu soal Istanbul, nonton episode ini karena banyak sekali ada informasi yang sangat berguna untuk kalian juga. Saya tuh udah janjian berkali-kali sama Chef Sezai di Jakarta. Tapi jadwal kita nggak pernah cocok. Dan ternyata malah bisa ketemuan di Istanbul begini. Nah, sebelum kita jalan-jalan exploring kota Istanbul, saya diajak sarapan dulu. Kayak apa sih sarapannya orang Turki? Yuk, ikut saya.
This is the egg with sucuk. Is again traditional egg compared to this, but this is the more flavorful one because you have the sucuk meat in it. Yeah, it's kind of sausage, but as I said, with the minced meat, it's only one time grinded.
Yeah.
So it's not too fine or it's not mashed like the sausage. Yeah. So you can smell the flavor anyway, and of course the butter. So walking a lot is gonna help today.
Tuh.
Dikit lagi boleh deh, ini liburan. Apa?
Luar biasa.
Ya.
Can you
So-
explain the
so-
flavor of the mix?
Wah, can I explain?
The flavor.
It's butter and honey. My smile says it all.
Manis, gurih, creamy, enak pokoknya.
Yeah. Now this is because of the consistency of the honey,
Exactly.
and you have the butter in the right temperature.
Yes.
So it kind of makes it like a spread.
Yes,
Yeah.
exactly.
It's so the
Gini loh,
flavor.
sedikit kayak serikaya, teksturnya tuh kayak serikaya.
Iya, serikaya,
Kayak
betul,
serikaya.
betul sekali, betul sekali. Cuman lebih manis, lebih gurih karena
Ya,
ada
betul.
madunya gitu.
Ya.
Ya.
Tuh.
You see our waiters here, our dear manager, bawa pakai lagu gitu. Turkish hospitality, mau apa lagi?
Luar biasa. Ini ada satu buah ya, bentuknya kayak tomat hijau, Tapi ini sebenarnya dari saudaranya plum. Ya. Rasanya dia agak keras. Kalau kita makan manis, asam manis. Nah, kalau mau rasanya lebih keluar, kasih
jangan
garam
deh.
dikit. Kasih salt. Nih kasih garam dikit.
Lebih enak. Ben
Manisnya
yarın
keluar,
değil öbür gün gidiyorum.
Gurihnya keluar, asinnya dari garam.
Yok, İskenderun'a.
Mengeluarkan semua
Daha sonra
rasa-rasa
döneceğim, bir gün daha kalacağım. Amsterdam'a
di
gideceğim,
sini.
geri geleceğim.
dan membuat rasanya segar gitu. Sama kalau kalian minum misalnya jus jeruk ya, terus dikasih garam dikit kan jadi lebih enak.
Iya.
Chef, ini nama bahasa Turki apa?
Erik.
Erik.
Ya.
Namanya Erik bahasa Turkinya. Erik.
Can
Bukan-
Erik.
Bukan Mas
Ya,
Erik. ya, tapi
Can Erik.
Jan
Ya,
Erik.
Can Erik.
Jan Erik. Erik. Ini namanya Turkish
Yiğit'e
Hospitality.
selam söyle.
Jadi
Yiğit sofra.
sangat familiar
Aradın
kayak
mı?
keluarga
Ya,
besar
tamam mı?
dan enak loh, menyenangkan di sini. Chef, oke, kita sekarang di mana nih?
Kita masih di Sultanahmet,
Ya.
tapi kita udah di sampingnya Blue Mosque, ya. Ini di sebelah kanannya saya ada yang tomnya Kerajaan Ottoman, salah satunya. Ya, di dalam itu bisa lihat itu
Ya,
tomnya,
kelihatan.
ya,
Oh,
kelihatan
tomnya ya.
tomnya ya.
Tomnya.
This is the tomb. If you get closer you can
Ya.
see it.
Ada,
Itu
coba
masih
lihat.
center. Ini lihat itu masih ini
Tuh.
kuburan-kuburan dari topi bisa lihat
Itu
yang jauh lihat juga.
Kuburannya itu.
Ini kuburannya kerajaan Ottoman.
Oke.
And then di sini langsung dulu di Turki kerajaan Ottoman ada yang tempat air minum.
Ah, maka itu saya lihat ada airnya di situ ya.
Ini khusus dulu dibikin di mana-mana. Nggak sebesar secantik gitu.
Ya.
Tapi karena ini dekat Sultanahmet, the headquarter of the empire was here. So they make the outmost. Kalau dalamnya itu dari dulu yang pakai gold paper.
Oh wow.
The atas, the
Oh,
mosaic
di
yang
dalamnya
mosaic,
ya.
ya dalamnya.
Nah, ini airnya bisa diminum. Masih
Bisa-
sampai sekarang masih bisa diminum atau enggak? Lebih ke cuci muka ada.
Yeah, it's drinkable.
Oh, it's drinkable.
It's drinkable water, yeah.
Airnya bisa diminum ini.
Yeah.
Hah? Terus ininya gold leaves di atasnya.
Gold
tuh.
leaf, yeah.
Ya.
And as you can see, these are the turas of the Sultan Ottoman. So all these signatures
okay,
are the signature of the Sultan. Each of them has their own unique signature. It's called tura.
I see.
Yeah. And you say the writing of Al-Quran from there on the side, all
Yeah,
of it.
yeah.
Sekelilingnya itu.
Oh ja, sehr kalt. Ne? Nice. There is this obelisk. Look.
As you see when you enter here, you can see the difference already.
Yes, it's
Langsung
different,
adem.
ya? Adem ya.
Langsung adem. Tempat
Langsung
ibadah.
adem. Tempat ibadah. ya.
Tempat ibadah langsung terasa
Oh iya
itu.
benar.
Langsung
Ganz
terasa.
kühl, ne?
As you can see how they did the old time architecture. You see this door, you can never open it from outside.
Oh ya.
Enggak,
You cannot open this from outside.
nggak
ya?
bisa.
Iya, karena ini
Susah.
ada.
Bagaimana ini? This is a thick door, you know. It's not a small door. You look at the cast iron
Ya.
things that they make,
Oh.
you know. And these ones
Besi
look at
itu.
it. Besi.
Besi masif
Besi.
Ini nggak bisa dibuka. Ini nggak bisa dibuka dari luar ini. Jadi memang ada nyanggalnya itu.
Of course, and these are all the old original,
Old walls, yeah?
original walls. So the mosque still a little bit under renovation. They just done the outside of it. So the outside of the mosque, it's just been renovated. It's been going on for 3-4 years.
Ya.
Yeah, and as you can see now, it's almost brand new from outside, and they're still, still working a little bit more renovation. So this is still outside of the mosque, yeah. Inside is here. We can walk in there, yeah.
Oh my God. Assalamualaikum.
Assalamualaikum. Waalaikumsalam. And this is what we call the avlu. You see this architecture in all of the Middle Eastern houses, which they have the area for the family actually to, and they bring this into the mosque as well. So outside wall and inside wall is totally
Merinding.
different. You see all these marble pieces, yeah, and they all tebalnya at least 20-30 centimeters each of these.
Masya Allah. Bagus
And as
sekali,
you
ya.
know, this is the first 6 minaret mosque in the world. Dulu kan nggak ada minaratnya, segitu paling satu minarat. When they did this, they want to make it the center of the Islamic world. And back then it was.
It was ya, but then
It was, of course. And when you look at these domes, yeah, and all of the dome, when we go inside, you know, we'll be able to see.
Saya baru tahu kalau besok Grand Bazaar di sini tutup. Makanya hari ini kita harus ke sana biar nggak kehilangan kesempatan.
Welcome to Grand Bazaar.
Oh, nice. This is the Grand Bazaar.
This is one of the entrance.
Okay.
They have about 9 to 10 entrance.
Oh, wow.
So you can actually go 2 blocks on the other side.
Okay.
This is the first and the oldest shopping mall in the world.
Yes,
The
it's true,
first shopping mall in the world. Why the first shopping mall? Because it was covered. You will
Okay.
see inside. So before all the shops, the bazaars, they were just, you know, with a tent or open. When they opened this one, it was the first covered bazaar. So
Proper
that's why
covered, yeah.
proper. Yeah. So that's why they call it is the first shopping mall in the world.
I see.
That's why here a shop like this, you see the size.
How much? How much you pay?
You will not be able to get it less than $5 million. 75M, 80M.
But these places are
Dan nggak jual.
family owned or what? I mean,
Mostly,
from
mostly.
family to family and.
Depends, you know. I mean, it's business, you know. I mean, they've been here for a long time,
Yeah,
you know. And as you can see from the style.
But these
actually.
people, they own it already, right? The people
yeah,
that have
some
this,
own,
they
some
own
owns it, some rent it.
or some rented. Okay.
Yes, yes.
But it's
Some-
cool here, huh?
Of course, it's
cool, yeah?
Of course, of course.
Adem di sini, adem.
Yeah, Adam, come. So this is why is Adam, because the walls are very thick.
Ah, okay.
Yeah,
So it isolates the heat.
Of course, of course. You can see from the arch. This is like 50 centimeter wall, and
yeah,
that's
yeah,
only
yeah.
on top. With the walls itself, you can see how wide they are between the shops. You can see them. It's almost a meter.
Yeah.
You know. This is another entrance.
Oh, there's another entrance.
Yes, of course. Okay, now you're entering that one, the outside. This is, you see, the decoration of it. Be careful. So as you can see here, everything is about sales and sales and sales.
Yes.
Here you will have some guys, they'll tell you, oh, hi, how are you, sir? How can I help you to spend your money?
It's all about selling, right?
It's all about selling.
Oh, look at this. It's like the highway, huh?
Yes, look.
Oh, check this one out.
Yeah,
In the middle of the highway here.
yes. So this is basically the center of it, but it goes to other sites as well.
Okay.
When you go down, also is the same.
Okay.
Yeah, so basically they more or less sell the same
Okay,
thing. I mean,
okay.
11, 12, 13 lah
Okay,
gitu.
okay.
Ya. Kita boleh ini naik ke atas sedikit. So again, you know, gold, handicraft, dessert,
It's everything next to each other,
gold.
right?
Yeah, everything next to each other. So the essence of it is totally different.
Yeah.
You know? When you are here, you feel like you're traveling in the history.
Yeah.
And these are all original stuff. When you look at the...
Thank you. Terima kasih banyak. Just makan banyak.
Can I ask you something?
Yes,
Boleh,
please.
chef.
Famous
No.
YouTubers?
Yeah, but not famous.
Let me I tell you something, mister. Can you make me famous?
Yeah, come on.
Türkçe'de seni şöhret ederim dersen biraz ters olur. Come, let's go, guys. So there are two items. One of them is food grade, one of them is decorated dress. So the one that's smooth is a food grade.
Food grade, yeah.
Yeah, food grade means is this one.
Yeah.
This one is because
Decoration.
what do you call is
Sanded-
embossed porcelain.
Embossed.
So
Okay,
embossed
okay.
porcelain is
Okay.
not for food grade.
Nih.
Immediately you get some nice
Kita
Turkish
beli
stuff.
sesuatu dari Grand Pasar, Grand Marketnya ya. Kita beli pipa. Jadi untuk rokok sebetulnya. Karena hobi saya kadang-kadang suka pipa. Biasanya sama teman saya di Norway, tapi ini ketemu sesuatu yang sangat-sangat
Beautiful stuff ya.
cantik ya, khususnya dari Turki. Jadi saya beli, coba lihat. Nice ya. Oh,
Bagus gitu
pimpanya
semuanya.
lain.
I like kayak
Hah?
gitu. You see,
Enteng banget.
Bawahnya porcelain. This is very touristic. This one. This is kavurma actually. This
is like
made of
warung,
liver.
yeah?
Liver. Yeah.
Liver? Oh, nice.
This is liver.
Oh, nice.
Yeah. So
Oh, say it's
The-
also in
yeah.
a roll, right?
yeah,
You
this
know?
is liver, and then they just make it with the roll, and yeah.
And then you eat with
And
different
just with
condiments,
the salads,
right?
Yeah,
Yeah.
the condiments and the salads, and they also have inside kebab. This is basically the poor people food. Karena di internet kan, dalaman kan, jadi itu yang murah-murah gitu buat makanan miskin lah kita bilang.
Yeah, yeah.
So since 1969,
Oh yeah, look at this one.
yeah, and this is the shop, 2 meters by 2 by 4.
That's it, huh?
That's it. $5 million. Take over only. Untuk orang keluar dari tempat. Iya, bukan beli ya.
Take over only.
Take over only. Take over only. Ashkan, can you get into the queue, please? This is all day like this. All day. All day. It never stops. It never stops.
Oh, this is sitting inside or something. This is the same place, right?
No sitting inside. This is
what
just
is that?
standing.
Oh yeah, I mean standing.
sitting
Okay.
inside.
It's a part of this one, right?
Yeah, this is the same. He used to be only here. He took this place only so people can stand in the winter.
Ah,
Otherwise, people were already here like
Outside,
this. Yeah. It's crazy. And look at it.
5 million.
Look at the way he cuts it, brother. Look how deep is. Look how original.
this is 5 million just to take over the shop. Not even paying for the shop. Can you imagine?
Sehari bisa 5.000 orang, 6.000 orang sehari. Sehari. Ya kan bikin aja lihat sekarang.
6.000 orang.
2, 4,
How much revenue you
2,
make,
4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 20, 22, 24, 26 people in the line now.
Now, yeah.
Ya, 26
And
people.
that's not that's not lunchtime, huh?
1 menit? Ya, enggak lah. Ini kan jam 3.
Ini bukan lunchtime ini.
Udah jam 3 ini.
Betul.
Dan lihat dia potong kupisnya seperti apa. Lihat potongnya kayak ini benar-benar donar kapas itu. See, 4 people working here. Such a small place. And there is a washing machine at the back. There is a washing machine. Did you see this washing machine? Humongous. And a counter. Yeah. Wow. Everything in this place. Sudah dapat ini dari tadi nunggu buat ini. ini Shahing doner kebab.
Ini rasanya tuh dagingnya tuh enak sekali karena memang marinasi bumbunya udah enak ya. Ini nggak ada saus nih.
Chef, ini kita bagi ya.
Ya. Ini nggak ada saus ya. Dan rasanya tuh memang udah lengkap, nggak perlu saus.
Tuh lihat.
Ya.
Gede
Chef, buka
banget, kan?
rotinya ini tambah dikit aja ini dagingnya.
Apa?
Tambah dagingnya aja buat you ini.
Nggak cukup.
Yakin.
Bukan.
Dikit aja, jangan tolak ini. Dia mulutnya tolak tapi tangannya bukan doner kebab ini. Ini sebenarnya style saya, 2 porsi dalam 1 roti. Nah,
Dan yang buat enak tuh rotinya. Rotinya sangat soft.
rotinya sangat empuk ya.
Very good. Bila itu gada.
Wah,
And the ceremony.
Lebih banyak dagingnya lebih enak.
ya, pastilah. Dan look at the queue masih sama.
Iya.
Ini di depannya ada Egyptian Spice Market.
Ya.
Jadi bazar rempah-rempah. Ya?
Bazar rempah-rempah, bazar
Bazar
bumbu
rempah-rempah.
yang apa aja dari luar, dari jalur sutra, dari India, dari Cina, dari Timur Tengah, itu
Lewat
semuanya
sini, dulu
kumpul
masuk
di
ke
sini.
sini ya?
Kumpul di sini semua. Semua orang businessman mau jual, mau beli barang, bawa ke sini.
Oke.
Ya.
Tapi di sana nggak hanya rempah-rempah dijual ya, lainnya
Oh,
juga dijual kan?
Ini lihat bazarnya sampai belakang nih.
Oh iya, lihat nih.
Di sini
Lihat
gedungnya, ini
temboknya,
gedung yang
lihat
asli
temboknya.
ya,
Iya.
yang batu-batu asli gitu.
Asik.
Ya. Already you can smell the spices.
You can smell ya? Oh.
The smell of it. Yeah.
Ah. Oke, ini adalah pasar rempah-rempah Mesir. Kalau kita masuk sini udah kecium ya rempah-rempah, aromanya, baunya. Juga kalau kalian lihat kanan kiri nanti banyak sekali produk-produk dari rempah-rempah. Check this
ya.
out.
Ya. Ini jadi sebagian yang di tengah itu spices.
Coba lihat macam-macam teh ya.
Yeah, and the spices
Smells,
are
huh?
here. Yeah,
All
of
the
course.
spices are here.
Yeah, you know nutmeg is from Indonesia.
Yeah.
Nutmeg is from Indonesia. Cinnamon stick is from Indonesia. Cloves is from Indonesia. So they bring a lot of stuff from Indonesia here. And like these roses and everything, it comes from Iran.
Okay.
Yeah, these tea roses. These are original.
Oh,
these are
careful,
original
Wolfgang,
tea
no.
leaves. You can see they're all original, and these are for tea.
Oh, from Iran.
Yeah,
Iran.
tea from
Flowers,
Iran, yeah.
Kawama spices.
You see, this is a smoked chili.
Smoked chili,
Yeah.
mixed
So,
peppers,
yeah.
turmeric,
Yeah.
fish
So turmeric
spice.
comes from India.
Yeah,
Or India, Indonesia, yeah. And what do you call? Of course, as I said, the cinnamon comes from Indonesia. The nutmeg it comes from Indonesia. Also the cloves comes from Indonesia.
Yeah.
Black pepper comes from Indonesia. Turkey doesn't produce a lot of spices. Yeah, they don't have too much spices.
Oke, Chef, kita di mana nih? Ada apa nih?
Kita di Egypt Bazaar ini lanjut, kita ada di sini yang tradisional, yang daging, yang namanya pastrami sama sujuk.
Halal semua.
Halal semua, 100%. Di Turki nggak halal.
Ya.
Ya di Turki nggak jual babi. Seluruh Turki nggak ada babi. Jadi halal. Seluruh Turki nggak ada babi, halal semua. Jadi ini yang
sapi.
Ya, ini sapi. Tapi ini dari kota called yang Kayseri. Yang kota yang bikin. Şefim bir tane bakar tadına varsa. Bir zahmet ince bir parça. So this is the salami. That's the salami in the morning that you had. This is you try it. Yeah. This is the
dried
beef. Yeah. But with the spices called keman and the outer.
It has a bit like a spice,
the flavor.
No?
Yes.
The flavor like
comes dari ini
chili
keman.
paprika, ya?
Yes.
Ini enak. Enggak. Ini sedikit kayak bintang flash ya, tapi ini ada rasa cabai, ada rasa paprika. Ya? Jadi
memang
agak spicy, tapi nggak pedas ya?
Enggak. Ini ada yang bumbunya karena memang mereka pas dibikin ini yang terutama dari tenderloin. Jadi ditaruh di atas, dicepitin sama marmer. Ya, 2 hari biar darahnya keluar, airnya keluar. Habis itu mereka dilapisin sama garam.
Biar keluar airnya semua.
Habis itu yang baru ditaruh yang bumbu yang kita bilang cemen yang tadi di luar. Yang ini lihat ada yang itu di luarnya itu namanya cemen. Ya, jadi itu campuran sama bumbu gitu.
Kalau yang ini itu bagus, itu yang ada kayak rib eye-nya yang ada lemaknya ya yang satunya.
Iya, dikit gitu. Tapi ini bisa bikin juga tanpa lemak.
Ya, biasa di atas ya.
Ini kayaknya sirloin, kalau itu tenderloin gitu. Ya, habis itu sujuk juga yang di sini begitu.
Sosis juga dia
punya. Iya. Ini fish egg.
Oh, fish egg.
Ya.
Fish egg ya.
Ya, ini yang enak banget ini, Bro. Ini enak banget. You cannot see anywhere else.
Yeah.
The cheese of Turkish cheese.
Oh, Turkish cheese?
Yeah, but this one, this is the tulum peynir. This is they stuff it inside the sheep, the whole sheep. Yeah.
And then you basically put in the whole sheep, and then
so
you
the whole
let
sheep,
it.
They fillet it.
You let it ripe in the whole sheep.
Jadi dalam kulit sapi, kulit domba, utuh, ini di stuff it, di stitch, and then disimpan di dalam cave.
So it ripes ya?
Yeah.
Sampai mateng lah.
This one is the plastic way.
Oh, this is the traditional.
Yeah, this is the traditional one. Yeah. Yo şefim öyle göstermek için. You can see all the halal pastiramis at the back. With
ox tongue, beef tongue, lidah.
Apa aja bro ini.
Apa aja ada nih. Oke guys, kita udah selesai belanja ya. Sebetulnya selesai sih belum, karena ini tempatnya sangat besar dan untuk belanja di sini 1 hari nggak cukup. Ini kita masih di Egyptian Bazaar, ya, Spice Bazaar ya.
Spice Bazaar, betul.
Jadi pasar rempah-rempah di Istanbul. Nah ini belanja banyak dari cold cuts yang halal, nih ya. Semua cold cuts yang halal.
Ada ini. Saya bantu ini. Saya bantu ini.
Tuh, lihat nih. Tuh, cold cuts yang halal.
Cold cuts-nya ya. Ada juga sujuknya juga ini buat bawa pulang nanti. Nah, gitu. Yang satu lagi buat saya ya.
Kemudian ini ada juga sajadah. Tadi istri beli sajadah untuk traveling dan hal-hal lain. Ya, banyak sekali yang dibelanjain. Oke, kita sebentar lagi mau pulang dulu ya, tapi kalian harus nonton episode selanjutnya. Jadi sekarang ini Chef Sesai dan saya, Chef Degan, we are out.
Bye. Sampai jumpa nanti buat dinner.